To be on the safe side. To be on the safe side, let's leave early. To be on the safe side, I'll double check. To be on the safe side, let's call ahead.
At the same time. At the same time, I understand your point. At the same time, we need to be realistic. At the same time, we should be careful.
All things considered. All things considered, we did well. All things considered, we made the right choice. All things considered, it was worth it.
If necessary. If necessary, we can change the plan. If necessary, we'll start again. If necessary, take your time.
For the record. For the record, that wasn't my idea. For the record, I never said that. For the record, I agree with you.
At least for now. At least for now, everything is fine. At least for now, that's enough. At least for now, we have a plan.
At first glance. At first glance, it seems simple. At first glance, nothing seemed unusual. At first glance, everything looks fine.
Needless to say, everyone was surprised. Needless to say, safety comes first. Needless to say, I'll be there.
As a bonus. As a bonus, you get free delivery. As a bonus, there's a discount. As a bonus, you get extra practice.
To some extent. To some extent, I agree. To some extent, that's true. To some extent, I understand.